taking a mission to get here, but yeah, welcome back guys to another video. Today we're at a car graveyard. There is a dog on site, so we have to be really careful and quiet at this one.
Camera there. Right in front of you.
Right in view of the house as well.
Fucking hell, no boxing as well, bro.
These ones have just been left by the looks of things. Call these. Oh, it's down there.
We're there now, fuck it.
On this end there. Old Landy over there. And an Isuzu. Or whatever they call them. Lots of cars here. Look at that. Mega. The old Beamers. Make sure you give it a like, give it a share. If you're new to the channel, subscribe as well, guys. Yeah, obviously there's this. These few bits here as well. Those as well. Another Landy there. What is that? An old Suzuki?
Yeah. Lancia Delta there, mate, like rare.
What is it?
Lancia Delta.
Rare result.
Oh?
Rare result. The old Mini here. One's the Overgrowth. Behind you.
There's a cat there, guys.
Is that an old Beamer, isn't it? Old Rover. Another old Rover here. Shame we can't get on there because there is dogs on there and we don't fancy our chances. Crazy. There's something under there. Well, there was something under there. Some proper rare classic cars here. Hmm? Yeah, I know. Land Rover, well, Range Rover. I always call these Land Rovers, me. Oh, that's a big monster, that, isn't it? That's a big monster. Yeah, fuck, that's a big dog, guys, that. I don't fancy me chances with that. Look at all these cars though.
The XR2's on the grass.